Good afternoon, dear Forex traders. This is the latest business news on Insta TV channel. I'm Olga Vitkovskaya. Now, the foreign trade, not domestic market, is able to save the British economy sliding. On Thursday, the data confirming the UK manufacturing activity deceleration was published. According to research presented by Market Economics, the activity in the manufacturing sector of the country in October narrowed to the mark of 47.5 points against 48.1 points in September. The analyst expected the indicator to fall to 48 points only. It is vivid that the fourth quarter will again be marked by a slide of the British economy despite positive data for the third quarter. Some time ago, the Confederation of the British Industry optimistically raised the UK GDP growth forecasts. The leading British economists assumed the GDP to advance to 0% in 2012 and by 1.3% in the next 2013. Despite the investors' disappointment, the British pound-US dollar pair was in demand at the level of $1.6170. This is all about the latest economic events. Watch us on Insta TV. Goodbye.